This is my review of the Blackview BV5100, so sit back and relax, because today I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So this phone has 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, a 5.7-inch display which is 720p, a 5580 mAh battery, the MediaTek 6762V, and these are the rest of our specs. So yeah, let's open this up. Alright, so very nice presentation. Okay, so I got the green version, and that does look pretty cool, doesn't it? So that phone does feel pretty nice in the hand. So the hard rubber back and middle sides. Alright, and here I have a charging cable, USB Type-C. And over here at the bottom, some sort of sticker, okay. And what looks like a fast charger, 18 watts, and some headphones as well. Okay, so first impressions, the display doesn't look bad at all. Viewing angles are nice. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Alright, so we do have a fingerprint sensor. It's over here on the side. Don't really have much high hopes for it, but let's set it up anyway. So you know when the setup takes not too long, that's when it tends to be the worst. And that's it. Alright, the phone's all set up. Let me just lower the brightness so you all can see. There we go. So the setup was pretty fast, so I can tell this is a pretty fast chip. So yeah, that is pretty quick. Really impressed. Alright, so we have our SIM slot, and I'm guessing this is the one that you use your fingerprint to remove, and yep, there you go. So you could either insert one SIM and an SD card, or 2 SIMs with no SD card. So oh, look, even the inside is green. Nice attention to detail, Blackview. You also have a mystery button on the side. Let's see what... Whoops, pressed the lock button by accident. Oh! Look at this, it has 2 flashlights over here. I didn't even know that. So you gotta hold to activate, so... yeah, that's pretty cool. But can we change it? Side key function. So as you can see, we can't change the function. We can even do... like, so the flashlight is automatically set up to the long press. We can also do 1 click for, like, I don't know. Oh, there you go, apps. Okay. So Gmail, for example, 1 click. So as you can see, you can customize it for pretty much anything you want. Also, we have face unlock, so we're gonna enroll our face real quick. There we go. So first off, we're gonna test the fingerprint unlock. Okay, so you have to hold it really specifically. I'm sorry for the background noise, by the way. Okay, not bad. Okay, really isn't bad. So let's say it's been unlocked for a while and you go to pick it up. So yeah, it's pretty decent. Now face unlock. So yeah, not bad. Face unlock, fingerprint unlock, not bad at all. Okay, very impressed so far. I haven't disabled ads and it's running like... Okay, there's a slight stutter, but I think this will fix the issue. Let's try. Okay, so it still kind of stutters, but that's the phone's problem, like, or the app developer's problem. I don't know. All I know is that only KnifeIt seems to have a problem. I need to find a different app to test games with, that's for sure. So WindRider, no lag, no stutter, just the frame rate isn't the highest. And the screen, it's hard to navigate because it feels rough. I think it's because of the screen protector. Okay, PUBG's already starting. As you can see, look at that, I'm playing. Okay, frame rate is medium. Let's bump the graphics up to balanced. It's not gonna let me do HD, and for good reason. So far, no. So far, still good. So yeah, okay, so I'm just walking around. There's no major lag or stutter. It's running just fine. Okay, let's try graphics at smooth. Okay, it kind of stutters, but overall it's not too bad. So yeah. Weird music. So yeah, the speaker is actually surprisingly good. It gets decently loud, the quality sounds good. It's good quality, and yeah, very impressive with the speaker. So our main camera is 16 megapixels, front camera is 13 megapixels, viewer facing video is full HD, front facing video 720p. So yeah, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Blackview BV5100 Full HD. So I cannot focus close up on flowers. I've tried, it just doesn't work, which is too bad, but it's not the end of the world. Pictures, other than that, turn out fine. And this is the video quality for 150 bucks. Let me know what you think. Front facing video on the Blackview BV5100. This tops up at only 720p and not the best quality, but for 150 bucks, is it good enough? You be the judge. So that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? Well, assuming that it really is durable, I can't test it for financial reasons, then yeah, it's absolutely worth it. I mean, for $150 or even lower nowadays, we get a great performing phone. I'm just gonna do a quick speed test for you. Like, bam, there we are, already Chrome. First time loading Chrome and already it's loading. So this is a fast phone and I expected it to be actually slower. But yeah, I am impressed with the speed. It performs well, the display is decent, the cameras are good, speaker's good, you know. Also, the battery life, you should expect it to last you all day and beyond. So yeah, I really like this phone. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.